Last time on Star Trek Deep Space Nine.
Oop, sorry, mysterious ticking noise, car version.
Hey everyone, I've discovered the source of the ticking. It's that Porsche's turn signal.
Yeah!
Langsamer fahren. Der Geschwindigkeitsbegrenzung ist nur 80.
And now the conclusion.
I'm sure glad I jumped out of my Mercedes before the crash.
Me too. I'm sure glad I jumped out of my Viron, but it surely is a skid mark when you're going at 400 kph.
Huh. In the hospital, I got a pacemaker. It's made by Microsoft, so it should last a lifetime. From now on, I'm only gonna drive really boring cars. Perhaps a Ford.
Bored Ford, that's pretty funny. See ya.
I hear another ticking noise. It's not my turn signal, but it's kinda catchy. Ford.
Excuse me, may we join?
Sorry, but you're not an American car.
We are made in Kentucky now.
And you, my friend, are made in Canada.
Oh, shut up. Ford, boring old Ford. Ford, boring old Ford.
Chevrolet!
Ford, boring old Ford.
Chevrolet!
Ford, boring old Ford.
Chevrolet!
Ford,
Toy.
boring old Ford.
Chevrolet!
Ford,
Toy.
boring old Ford.
Chevrolet!
Ford,
Nissan.
boring old Ford.
Nissan. Chevrolet!
Ford,
Nissan.
Nissan.
Nissan. Chevrolet!
Honda Civic.
Nissan.
Honda
Civic. Nissan. Chevrolet!
Honda Civic.
Nissan.
Honda Civic.
Nissan.
Ford.
Chevy.
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 Ford.
Japanese.
We're all American.
Chevrolet!
Honda
Nissan.
Civic. Honda
Nissan.
Civic.
Chevrolet!
Honda Civic.
Nissan.
Here's Honda Civic.
Driving real slow, singing real low on the interstate.
I've discovered the source of the ticking. It's my pacemaker.
Can you make that thing shut up?
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to reboot my Microsoft pacemaker every couple of days.
Not while you're driving!
Oh crap.
Microsoft, do Microsoft.
Gerald Ford shot dead today at age 83.
Add the word senseless.
All right. Gerald Ford shot dead today at the senseless age of 83.